did you know that around 2.2 billion people worldwide have a vision impairment or blindness? Surprising, isn't it? Now let's put that into perspective. That's almost 1/3 of the global population we're talking about here. That's like taking the entire population of China and the United States and then adding Russia, Brazil, and a few other countries to the mix. Yes, the enormity of the issue is truly staggering. Vision impairment and blindness are not just minor inconveniences. They can significantly affect our quality of life. Imagine not being able to see the vibrant colors of a sunset or the smile on a loved one's face. Imagine not being able to read a book, drive a car, or even navigate your own home without assistance. This is the reality for billions of people around the globe. But it's not just about the individual. The impact of vision impairment and blindness extends to society as a whole. It affects our economy, with billions of dollars spent on healthcare costs and lost productivity. It affects our education system, with children struggling to learn in school. It affects our communities, with families and friends shouldering the burden of care. The good news is that many forms of vision impairment are preventable or treatable. Simple steps like maintaining a healthy diet, getting regular eye checkups, and taking breaks from screen time can make a world of difference. But awareness is the first step. We need to understand the magnitude of the problem and the importance of maintaining good eye health. So why is eye health so important? Well, our eyes are like windows to the world. They allow us to experience life in all its beauty and complexity. They help us learn, work, and connect with others. In short, our eyes are essential to our overall well-being. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to avoid becoming part of these statistics. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the solutions, it's important to understand the threats to our eye health. Let's kick off with a common culprit: excessive screen time. In today's digital age, many of us spend long hours gazing at screens, be it for work, studies, or entertainment. But here's the thing: prolonged screen time can lead to digital eye strain, causing symptoms like dryness, itchiness, and even blurred vision. This is often due to an unhealthy habit of not blinking enough and the harsh glare from the screens. Next up, we have exposure to harmful ultraviolet rays. Just as these rays can damage our skin, they can also harm our eyes. Over time, excessive exposure to UV rays can lead to conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Remember, your sunglasses aren't just a fashion accessory, they're a shield protecting your eyes from these harmful rays. Now let's talk about lifestyle choices. Unhealthy habits like smoking and poor nutrition can wreak havoc on your eye health. Smoking, for instance, increases your risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. On the other hand, a diet lacking in essential vitamins and nutrients can compromise your eye health, making them more susceptible to certain conditions. And it's not just about what you do, but also what you don't do. Not getting enough sleep, for example, can lead to eye fatigue, dry eyes, and other vision problems. That's why it's crucial to ensure you're getting enough rest and taking care of your eyes. Last but not least, ignorance can be a threat to our eye health. Many eye diseases, such as glaucoma and diabetic eye disease, often have no warning signs in the early stages. Regular eye checkups are key to catching these conditions early and preventing potential vision loss. Knowing these threats empowers us to make better decisions for our eyes. So what can we do to protect our sight? Yes, you heard it right. What you eat can greatly affect your eye health. It's not merely about carrots anymore. A variety of foods packed with essential nutrients can contribute to your ocular well-being. Let's start with vitamins. Vitamins A, C, and E are your eye's best friends. They help protect your eyes from harmful light and keep them functioning optimally. And where can you find these vitamins? Look no further than your leafy greens, citrus fruits, and nuts. Next up, we have zinc. This mighty mineral aids in bringing that wonderful vitamin A from your liver to your retina, where it's put to work. Beef, oysters, and pumpkin seeds are all rich in zinc. Lastly, don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids. They contribute to visual development and retinal function. Fish, such as salmon and tuna, are excellent sources of omega-3s. So make sure to include these eye-friendly foods in your diet. But is diet enough? Regular eye checkups play a crucial role in maintaining your eye health. You see, these checkups aren't just about updating your glasses or contact lens prescription. They're about taking a proactive approach to your vision's well-being. Eye exams can detect early signs of serious eye conditions before they become problematic. Conditions like glaucoma, macular degeneration, or even systemic diseases like diabetes and hypertension can be spotted through regular eye examinations. Now you might be wondering, how often should you get your eyes checked? Well, for most adults, an eye exam every 2 years is recommended. However, if you have a family history of eye diseases, or if you're over 60, annual checkups are advised. And remember, these are just guidelines. It's always best to consult with your eye care professional for a schedule tailored to your specific needs. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, but there's more to prevention than just regular checkups. Rest and exercise aren't just for your body, your eyes need them too. Just like every muscle in your body, your eyes also need regular exercise and adequate rest to function optimally. Now, you might wonder, how do I exercise my eyes? Well, it's simpler than you think. Eye exercises are designed to strengthen your eye muscles, improve focusing, eye movements, and stimulate the vision center of your brain. They involve simple activities that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Here's an easy one called the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It's a great exercise to rest your eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time in front of a screen. Another simple exercise is palming. Rub your hands together until they feel warm, then gently place your palms over your closed eyes. Feel the warmth seeping in and let your eyes relax. This can be a soothing break from the constant exposure to light, particularly from digital screens. Blinking is another important exercise. It might seem obvious, but many of us forget to blink regularly when we're engrossed in work or a gripping TV show. Blinking helps to moisten the eyes, reducing dryness and irritation. Eye rolling, believe it or not, is a great exercise too. Roll your eyes in a circular motion, first clockwise, then counterclockwise. This helps to keep your eye muscles active and flexible. But remember, while these exercises are beneficial, they are not a cure-all. If you have persistent eye problems, it's important to seek professional medical advice. Finally, just as important as exercise is rest. Make sure to give your eyes plenty of breaks, especially if you're doing work that requires intense focus. And, of course, a good night's sleep is vital for overall eye health. By incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your eye health. Let's recap what we learned today. All right, it's time to summarize what we've discussed today. We've embarked on a journey exploring the fascinating world of eye health. We've uncovered some startling truths and learned valuable strategies to maintain our eye health. We began by shedding light on the alarming statistics surrounding eye health. We learned that millions of people worldwide are affected by preventable eye conditions. These numbers underscore the importance of being proactive about our vision care. Then we delved into the threats that our eyes face daily, be it harmful UV rays, blue light from our screens, or the natural aging process. Our eyes are constantly under siege. But remember, knowledge is power. Now that we're aware of these threats, we can take steps to mitigate their impact. We then explored the pivotal role that a healthy diet plays in maintaining good eye health. We learned that foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, along with zinc and omega-3 fatty acids, can help protect our eyes from harmful conditions. So let's fill our plates with leafy greens and nutrient-dense nuts and seeds. Next, we emphasize the importance of regular eye checkups. These checkups are crucial in detecting potential problems early, thus preventing irreversible damage. So, let's make a pledge to visit our eye doctor at least once a year. We also discussed the significance of giving our eyes the rest they need and exercising them regularly. Just like the rest of our body, our eyes need downtime and a good workout to stay in shape. So let's commit to taking regular screen breaks and practicing eye exercises. Remember, your eyes are your windows to the world. Protect them and enjoy a clear, colorful view of life. Until next time, keep those eyes healthy.